Long-Term Technology was founded in 2009, specialized in serving various precision hardware products. Products are mainly used in photographic equipment, university education, drones, communication systems, and other fields. We provide OEM, ODM service, including CNC machining, turning, milling, stamping, bending, welding, cutting, assembling, and so on. As a customer-focused company, our promise: all parts can meet customer drawing or sample size requirements. With our professional hardware knowledge, we will give best advice for customers' drawings and reduce the cost of production. Once confirmed the samples, any faulty product we are fully responsible. Remake orders or full refund, while adhering to all requirements of the ISO 9001 quality standard. With 10 years experiences, we work with sales and focus on solving problems and helping clients to develop new products. We work with the production department and help them to optimize the process. We also accept low volume, high mix orders. At Long-Term, if you can dream it, we can make it. From our machining parts capabilities to our value-added services, Long-Term is your full service partner from design to delivery.